Good morning, children. Today our Narayana live classes key. Dated on 6th July 2020. For the class 6th. The subject is social studies. And the topic we are going to discuss today is community decision making in a tribes. Tribes. So the first question is the village headman of the tribe is usually. So what is happening? So here what is that we have discussed in the lesson about the tribal people, the life of the tribal people. So the headman of the village will be on the basis of hereditary. Means after the father, the son. After him, his son. So here the village headman is elected on the basis of hereditary only. It goes on just like the king. As the king, after the king, his son. So here also the village headman is appointed on the basis of hereditary only. So for the first question, option B. Second question is identify the false statement. So the Panch. Who are Panch? Panch means a group of elderly people in the tribes. Among the tribes, some group of elderly people together form the Panch. Then they may remove this headman. If the headman will do the mistake, they have a right to remove the headman, as it is also the correct. Second option what they have given here in this question is the headman works on daily basis. No, this is the wrong option. So for the second question also B. The headman does not work on the daily basis. Next, third question what they have given, identify the functions of the Patla. So Patla is a person who ensures the unity of the villages. He has to see that all the villages are together. There should not be any disputes or fighting among the villages. It is the first option is the correct. Second one is what? He has to talk, he has to negotiate with the government and with the outsiders on behalf of the villagers. So if any problem is there on behalf of the villagers, he has to talk to the government. It is also the correct option. Next, he should coordinate and he should participate in the cultural activities in the villages. Okay, this is option is also correct. He had to coordinate in the activities in the village. This option also is correct. Next, the fourth option given in this question is this Patla works in the construction field, on the construction work. No, this fourth option is the wrong option. Patla does not work in the construction activity. So fourth option is the wrong option. Next, the life of the tribal people is closely observed by. So one man was there. What is his name? Hammondorf. He was a person who stayed with the tribal people, who studied the life of the tribal people, and he wrote a book on the life of the tribal people. The man these people who study about the life of the tribal people, they are known as anthologists. So Hammondorf was an anthologist who studied about the life of the tribal people. So here what is the option? Option B. Option B, Hammondorf. Next, fifth question. Identify the reasons for the decline in the headman. So village headman, first in the tribal people, only the headman was the person to look after the activities of the village, any decisions in the village. But now there are many reasons. Now we cannot find any headman in the village. So what are the reasons for the decline in the headman? First one is the Gonds tribal people were replaced by Andhras and Telanganas, the Marathas. It is also the correct option. Next, nowadays what everywhere in the villages we have the Panchayat Raj. In the village any water problem is there, electricity problem is there, the Panchayat Raj will solve the village's problem. That is why the reason is that this option also is correct. That is why there is a decline in the headman. Before what, in the tribal type, if any disputes, any problems were there, they used to go to the headman. But now we are going to the headman. No, if any disputes, any problems are there, we are going to the court. So now courts, we are going to any disputes, we are going to the courts. That is the reason why there is a decline in the headman. This is all the three options are correct. So option D all. Next, coming to the sixth question. The arrangement in which the son or daughter will be given the property of the mother or father's property will be given to the son or daughter on the basis of what basis? If we are getting the property of our father or mother's property after their death, that is known as hereditary. What it is known as? Hereditary. Option C, hereditary. Next, coming to the questions, they have given identify the functions of the patla. Functions of patla. So, he should ensure the unity of the villages. He should see that all the villages are together. There is a unity among the villages. Unity. Next, he will be negotiating with the government and with the outsiders on behalf of the villages. If anything, any issues are there, anything they have to discuss with the government or with the outsiders, he will represent all the villages. So he negotiates with the government and outsiders. On behalf of the villages, who will represent this? Patla. Okay. And he coordinates and cooperates in the cultural activities like festivals. So he actively, it is the duty of the partner to conduct the festivals in the villages. Okay, it is his duty to conduct the festivals in the villages. Next, if any guest will come to their village, it is the duty of the partner to entertain him and provide the food to the guest. So from any guest from the next village or any neighboring people has come, it is his duty only. He only have to provide them food. He only has to entertain the guest. Okay, entertain the guest and provide the food to the guest. So these are the functions of the patla. Okay children, hope you have understood. Thank you.